to join us in this wonderful occasion. We would like to personally thank our guests, my friend from way back college days, si Eve, and her husband Charles, and my friend's sister Jaja and Anthony. So they're also from Guelph, from the south end. So thank you, and then my brother and his family is here. Si Ate Corinne is my niece. So thank you for coming here. Thank you to the CFC community for making this event possible. We would like to especially thank Sis Al, Bro Jerry, Bro Nathan, everybody who was involved in coordinating and making this event happen, this wedding. It's the first time for the CFC community to have an event like this. And so thank you so much. And before I forget, I would like to say a special thank you to my household. They were instrumental in basically coordinating everything. They did my bouquet, they did my wedding cake. They did so much for us. We could not have done this without them. And again, we are so blessed to be part of this community. We wouldn't even think it would be possible to do a church wedding. We wanted to do this for like the longest time, but we never ended up doing it. But with God's grace and with this community, we were finally able to do our vows in front of God. And so this is very, very special for us, and that's all because of all of you who's here with us. And so we would like to thank you. I cannot thank you enough for all that you do, for all that you did. And yeah, buddy. Again, thank you so much and have a wonderful, blessed afternoon. Thank you.